Condition for constructive and destructive interference. We know if there are two waves having amplitude A1 and A2 and having phase difference between them, I say suppose theta, then amplitude of oscillation of the resultant displacement is given by A equal to root A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 cos theta. This is the amplitude of oscillation. And intensity is proportional to amplitude square. So intensity we can write I equal to A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 cos theta. Or in terms of the I1 I2 we can write I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 I2 cos theta. अब जहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्टिव इंटरफेरेंस होगा वहाँ पे इस cos theta की वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए +1. So for the constructive interference, cos theta should be given by +1, or you can say it is cos 2n pi. This is the situation for the maximum. So theta is written as 2n pi, where n is 0, 1, 2 and so on. It means it is even multiple of pi. अगर constructive interference के लिए मैं path difference की बात करूँ, this is I am writing for constructive interference, and for the path difference also for the constructive interference. We know if phase difference is 2 pi, path difference is lambda. If it is unit, then it is lambda upon 2 pi. If it is 2n pi, then we will write it is lambda upon 2 pi into 2n pi. So finally 2 pi से 2 pi cancel हो गया, it is only. So when the delta x is equal to n lambda, where n is 0, 1, 2, 3 so on, or you can say delta x is 0, lambda, 2 lambda and so on, then there is a condition for the constructive interference. Now we are discussing for the destructive interference. For the destructive interference we will write, for the destructive interference, this cos theta should be minimum, that is -1, and we know it is possible when it is cos 2n plus 1 pi or 2n minus 1 pi, like this. If it is 2n minus 1 pi, then we will write n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. And if we are writing cos theta equal to -1 equal to cos 2n plus 1 into pi, then n is given by 0, 1, 2 and so on. So this is the condition. Then for the path difference, for the destructive interference, we know if it is 2 pi phase difference, path difference is lambda. If it is unit, it is lambda upon 2 pi. If it is 2n plus 1 pi or 2n minus 1 pi, then you will write it is given by lambda upon 2 pi into 2n minus 1 into pi. So we will write it is 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. Put the value of the n, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, you get the resultant answer. So final answer, in terms of the phase difference, we will say theta should be order of 2n pi, and here theta should be order of either 2n plus 1 pi or either 2n minus 1 pi. And in terms of path difference, delta x should be n lambda, or here 2n minus 1 lambda by 2 or 2n plus 1 lambda by 2.